Welcome on my YouTube channel, The Guru Science Buddy Educational Channel. Please like and subscribe. My name is Parvez Akhtar. Today I am going to learn about chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, in which reaction new substance is formed, is called chemical reaction. There are different kinds of chemical reaction takes place in our surrounding. For example, burning, rusting, spoiling of food, and digestion. Types of chemical reactions. There are different kinds of chemical reaction. Number 1, combination reaction. Number 2, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. And double displacement reaction. Combination reaction. Two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound is called combination reaction. For example, hydrogen combined with oxygen to form water molecule. Other examples of combination reactions are respiration. In respiration, food combined with oxygen and release energy. Rusting. Iron react with oxygen and water to form iron hydroxide. It is an oxidation reaction. Combustion is also combination reaction because fuel is burned with the help of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide or slacked lime. Like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, The Guru Science Buddy. Decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, compounds break down into two or more simpler substances. For example, sodium chloride breaks down into sodium and chlorine. It is a decomposition reaction. Other examples of decomposition reaction: carbonic acid is break down into water and carbon dioxide. Carbonic acid contains in soft drink or soda water. Calcium carbonate break down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is an endothermic reaction because heat is produced. Electrolysis of water is also known as decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction. More reactive element displace less reactive elements from its compounds. For example, zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. All active metals displace hydrogen from acid. Like magnesium displaces hydrogen from water to form magnesium hydroxide. Double displacement reaction. Two or more compounds react to each other to form another compound with the help of displacement or exchange of ions. When two compounds react and positive ions and negative ions of two reactants switch places, forming two new compounds or product. They transfer their ions to each other. For example, sodium sulfide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and hydrogen sulfide. Chlorine and sodium ions are transferred to each other to form the new compounds. Other examples of double displacement reaction. Ferric oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form ferric chloride and water. Neutralization reaction is also double displacement reaction. Hydrochloric acid combined with sodium hydroxide to form NaCl and water. Antacid reduces excess amount of hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Antacid is used in reducing acidity. Diazine is an example of antacid. Redox reaction. Redox reactions are reactions in which one substance is reduced and another is oxidized. The term oxidation and reduction can be defined in the terms of the adding or removing of oxygen or hydrogen to a compound. Adding of oxygen is oxidation. Copper reacts with oxygen and get oxidized to form copper oxide. It is an oxidation reaction. Adding of hydrogen and removal of oxygen to copper oxide. It is reduction reaction. Copper oxide reduced with the help of hydrogen to form copper and water. Here hydrogen reduces oxygen from copper oxide. It is reduction. Iron oxide reacts with aluminium to form iron and aluminium oxide. It is an oxidation and reduction reaction. Iron gets reduced to form iron and aluminium get oxidized to form aluminium oxide. So thermite reaction is a redox reaction. Oxidizing agent. My dear student, an oxidizing agent is a substance which oxidizes something else. For example, copper oxide reacts with hydrogen to form copper and water. Here, oxidizing agent gives oxygen to another substance and get reduced, like copper oxide get reduced and give oxygen to hydrogen. Oxygen is removed from copper oxide with the help of hydrogen. Oxidizing agent give oxygen to another substance and get reduced. Reducing agent, the just opposite of oxidizing agent. A reducing agent reduces something else. In the following equation, hydrogen is a reducing agent. It removes oxygen from copper oxide. Because reducing agent removes oxygen from another substance. Effect of oxidation reaction in daily life. The corrosion. Rusting. Copper get corroded with blue-green layer. Spoiling of food. These are the main example of corrosion. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल. Effect of corrosion. Corrosion is the destructive attack of a material by electrochemical reaction with its environment. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron railing, etc. Corrosion can be prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, and making alloys.